Hello and welcome to Tech It Simple. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log in or sign into your Peacock TV account from your mobile device. Open your Peacock TV on your phone, and then you can go ahead and hit the sign in button, which appears on the top right corner. You can input your email and password for your Peacock TV, press sign in, and wait for a while. After you sign in, now you need to log into your profile. As you press on your profile, the Peacock TV app will open. So, this is how you sign in or log into your Peacock TV app from your phone. I hope the video was helpful for you. If you have any sorts of confusions, please do mention us in the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to our channel, and do hit the bell button for more. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye and take care.